for launching an initiative like the Pasha Launchpad was simple. We need a lot of entrepreneurs, especially IT entrepreneurs in this country, because we need to create jobs. There are a lot of young people in this country and we need to keep them productively employed. The Pasha Launchpad initiative, and about 110 entries were received in 4 days, which is amazing because we didn't expect that. We shortlisted the 110 and we had 20 for Karachi and 20 for Lahore.
The project is divided into 3 parts. First is the common search panel. Just like you search on Google, you can search on Ransoy, but here you get the web search results as well as blog search results, image search results, book search results, and even news search results.
Basically, I have been researching to do some design innovation in mouse, and one day I got a stupid idea that why don't we use this mouse with our feet? So I rushed to the Google and I basically found some existing products. So existing products, but they actually were expensive and they were around 30,000 Pakistani rupees. So I started brainstorming and I made an abstract, discussed with my teachers, and they appreciated it, but they said and asked me a question that what is the usability and where is your target market?
Now let's discuss that what SEO services we provide. First there is an SEO analysis tool जिसमें आप जाके अपनी वेबसाइट को एनालाइज कर सकते हैं कि क्या कीवर्ड्स आप यूज़ कर रहे हैं अपनी साइट पर, क्या इसकी डेंसिटी है. उसमें हम आपको ये भी प्रोवाइड करेंगे कि आपके मैटर के लिहाज से क्या सजेशंस होनी चाहिए, मतलब किस तरह के कीवर्ड्स आपको अपनी वेबसाइट पर यूज़ करनी चाहिए. आपकी लिंक पॉपुलैरिटी चेक करें कि कितने लोग आपको वोट करते हैं, कितने लोग आपकी वेबसाइट को जानते हैं, आपकी इमेज एनालिसिस, पेज रैंक चेकर, मतलब जो वो सारे फैक्टर्स जिसकी वजह से आप एसईओ में हाईएस्ट रैंकिंग पर आ सकते हैं, ये सारी चीजें आपको एसईओ एनालिसिस टूल में मिलेंगी.
Who does help me provide services to? So we do mobile apps. So you buy product and you need service. Now as a small company, so we are a B2B service. Now as a small company, it's very difficult to hire a support team which can work 24/7 across multiple geographies, because you may receive 10 tickets a day, 20 tickets a day, 30 tickets a day, and for that to have a support department, it's extremely difficult, extremely expensive, and eats into your margin.
We feel that some of the kids do not have the presentation style techniques that they need, but the ideas, many of them were pretty good. If they can receive the guidance and if they can be shown the direction they need to take in order to develop it into a business, we feel that some of these ideas are really good money makers.
My name is Mohammad Ehsan and I'm a student of NLD University Computer System Engineering, and I invented a foot mouse. The response were quite good. They fired me questions a lot in a way, and that time I was like shocked, what should I say? But I think the judges' response was good and they commented me well and they gave me the ideas that how to present it at another time also.
I think it's nice to see bright youngsters with new ideas, but I still feel we're still at a very initial process. We still have a long way to go. So it's a good beginning, and I think जैसे ये presentations होती जाएगी, we will learn. The audience also learns. There's tremendous talents in Pakistan.
We had Amin Hashwani as one of the people who was on the judging panel, and he has an NGO which is immediately going to take the foot mouse product and try and see if they can create it into something viable for people with challenges. The Kitabein product, there are a couple of people who are here from Lahore. They want to connect them with bookshops in Lahore which they feel will immediately want to take this on. And there were a couple of ideas that Rahim Lalani of TRG Tech said that he was willing to invest in. So I think this is great. It's a great start. There's a lot to be done and we will continue to do it in different cities over time. And we'd like to thank everybody who was involved, the sponsors, PSEB, Microsoft Pakistan, Sofizar Constellation, and for the online media support from CIO Pakistan. Thank you very much.